And so I like to take one of these like so. I open it up, and then I put the Zendocrine inside, the 1 to 2 drops. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of Zendocrine Essential Oil Blend. Zendocrine Essential Oil Blend supports your body's natural ability to rid itself of unwanted substances. This powerful blend combines rosemary, cilantro, and juniper berry, known for the detoxifying properties and ability to support healthy liver and kidney function, while tangerine and geranium have purifying effects against unhealthy substances. Zendocrine helps cleanse your body of toxins and free radicals that can slow your body's systems down, leaving a heavy, weighted feeling. The top 3 ways to use doTERRA Zendocrine Essential Oil Blend are aromatic, so that's breathing it in. Although it is a little bit of an acquired smell, there's still health benefits. There's also the topical use of this, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. And then internally, which is a little bit of an acquired taste, and so that's where veggie caps come in, which I'm going to talk about shortly. The main benefits of the Zendocrine Detoxification Blend are that it supports organ cleansing, promotes healthy kidney and liver function, and rids your body of unwanted substances. And so that includes stuff that's in your air, food, or water that we're bombarded with on a daily basis. The directions for use are massaging 1 to 2 drops of Zendocrine with a fractionated coconut oil on the bottoms of your feet to help multiple body systems. You can also take 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule morning and night, and also diffuse 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser to clean the air. When it comes to the complementary products that I just mentioned, I like to use these two with the Zendocrine. So that is the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil. And so this is a carrier oil, non-greasy, no smell. This is good for topical use of the essential oil, helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin, reduce the chance of irritation, and then also cover larger surface areas of your body. The other complementary product with the Zendocrine oil are the veggie caps. And so I like to take one of these like so. I open it up, and then I put the Zendocrine inside, the 1 to 2 drops, and then I take it with food and water for best results. And I like to use whole plant foods, and then the water I choose is reverse osmosis. You can also use alkaline or distilled water, and then preferably in a glass or stainless steel container. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next video.